Welcome to Sunter Masterchef 2023. And here's the judges: Jordan Kamal, Daniel Bertoli, Cheng Ao.
We have 3 contestants today. One from Sydney, Jerome. One from Perth, Benedict Gunawan. And one from Sunter, Mbak Rani. Yes.
So my name is Ben. I'm a culinary instructor in Perth. I teach both international students and domestic students in Perth coming from overseas. I'm also specializing more into Western cooking and commercial sector.
Hai, nama saya Rani. Saya dari Jawa. Saya selama ini punya pengalaman kerja di Singapura 23 tahun. Saya kebanyakannya memang suka di bidang masak-memasak. Jadi kalau saya jadi ART di luar negeri, saya pun carinya yang masak. Di Jakarta ini pun saya carinya yang masak.
Well, I'm a doctor, not a chef, but as long as everyone's happy, I'm happy, but I'm gonna win 100%.
Benedict Gunawan with the sous chef, the wife. Jerome with the sous chef, the wife, Valerie.
Ini masak apa ini kau? Masak apa?
Sapi, Patricia.
Jerome, what do you cook?
Drinking. Pasta.
Pasta.
Cooking the base for my pasta. So, gonna use this Italian sausage.
Oh,
Together with the, what do you call this? So
the smell is so good.
Oh, thank you. You smell good too.
Lebih ke onion ya, Say. Smell onion, Say.
Yeah.
This one smells like onion too.
Hey.
Oke, sekarang kita sudah ada di kontestan ketiga kita, ya kan, Mbak Rani. Hai. Hari ini masak apa, Mbak?
Kari ayam sama
Kare ayam sama spinach.
Ya udah itulah. Ya itu.
Boleh kita keluar dulu, Pak?
Aku masak kari ayam model Singapura, Indian, Indonesia.
Wow.
3 tab jadi 1.
Oh wow.
So the tasty is very different.
Woi.
Setiap juri.
Mari kita tunggu ya.
Yeay.
Akhirnya kumpul keluarga dari Singapura, dari Australia, dari Cirebon, karena saya from America.
Wow.
Ramayana nggak tuh gue? Yang punya rumah Ibu Nelly Winarso, my aunt.
Wow.
How do you feel, Jerome?
Fantastic. I'm confident!
How do you feel, Ko?
Panas.
Judges, you can just start now.
Jadi bahasa Prancisnya lupa.
Can I have some water, please? Wow.
Okay, so we're gonna judge one by one. Jadi start from the first appetizer.
You guys can share your feedback, but don't share the score first.
Yeah,
because you have a second part.
Let me share the feedback.
The time has come for the judges' feedback. Okay, contestant 1, the appetizer is the prawn and the bread. The presentation-wise is standard. The taste is fresh, but it would be good if it's a little more sauce, I would say. Okay, so that would be my feedback. The main is the pasta. So far, it's my favorite among all of the contestants. Perfect chicken, a little bit salty will be better, but I think everything is good. So I think that one has outperformed the other ones.
All right, my turn. So I'll start with the good stuff because it's going to be shorter. The pasta was really good. So I liked the sauce, it was great. Texture was good. The pasta itself, for my taste, was a little bit too soft. So it was maybe cooked a little bit too long. And also, it was a little bit unbalanced how the sauce was put on it. So it was not really mixed fully through. But overall, a very, very good dish.
The appetizer looks good, looks beautiful, and good combinations. The shrimp is well done. The taste blend well. But for the main course, the pasta, because I don't really like the Western food, so I don't comment a lot, but tastes good.
Pasta is something I always cook at home, and then Val really likes it, so that's the one dish that I'll cook for family to share. The second dish, I made it up because I was told that I need to do an entree. Yeah, but I was in church and suddenly halfway through mass, I tapped her. I was like, babe, I know what to do for entree.
I'm from Jesus.
I did it, yeah.
Why do you think that you deserve to win?
Because my wife likes my food.
Okay, the curry-wise, bland too. Here I put like kurang asin. But the chicken's meat is standard, it's just nice. The chicken's meat perfectly done, but a little bit oily as well as not too salty.
Saya ingin memperkenalkan kari yang setiap kali saya masak saja sama kebabnya. Saya ingin memperkenalkan, siapa tahu orang-orang di sini akan bisa menerima makanan seperti itu.
I mean, when I think about the appetizer, I think of an unhappy pancake left in the forest for 3 weeks with a little bit of mold on it and just no texture. Like putting it in the mouth, it just melted away. Then on the main course, the chicken was good. Cooked really, really well. But it didn't really matter because it was all like completely soaked in oil. Way too much oil. almost need a knife to eat the soup. So it was yeah, very, very oily, and I yeah, could barely find the potato. So that was tough to eat.
But the main course, the color is good. The meat is well cooked and good blend. Potato is well done.
I made the tikki bayam. I just want to recommend to everybody here about bayam. But for me, I a bit missing about the ingredient. I never put any cumin seed, cumin powder, and something the salt a bit not enough. I don't know, because maybe I'm rushing or what. That's why everything will be like kacau. I just make a curry hari-hari, then that's like that. I don't know what is in my mind. I'm so sorry about the curry. Curry also like that. Usually I make a curry, it's a bit sticky like that. But I don't know, today is the one, but like watery like this. Then this is wrong. I cook, I never taste for the food. This is the problem for me. That's why I'm so sorry if today I never give like a good competition or something that. Because this one is the first time saya udah berusaha semaksimal mungkin. Kalau memang menurut penilaian mereka masakan saya masuk, ya saya syukur saja. Tapi kalau misalkan masakan saya menurut mereka nggak masuk, ya cuma sekedar menambah pengalaman saya.
The theme of the competition is like cook the best dish. Why you choose that?
I wouldn't say stew is comfort food. Plus, a red wine stew normally is one of my first dish that I cook. But what's missing today is the bacon. I realized I forgot the bacon, which missed a lot of flavor and saltiness. And the chicken roulade is something that I've been doing for over functions over my course. Yeah, I think that's it's a no-brainer that the chicken wouldn't fail if it's chicken thigh.
For the main course, unfortunately, the presentation was just okay, just normal. For the taste-wise, I think the mashed potato is not evenly smashed. The broccoli is well done. The beef is just nicely done, but it's a bit tasteless for the beef. And the sauce is a bit overwhelming. The texture of the beef is okay, but the texture of the sauce is a bit overwhelming. There's like an aftertaste. I know it's like a wine, right? And I think it would be nice a little bit if there's a little bit of saltiness inside, but it's too bland.
Berapa persen kemungkinan Koko yakin Koko menang?
50?
15%.
50-50.
50%.
Kelupaan. Banyak kelupaan. Short in time.
So that didn't really do it for me. The main course, so presentation was standard. Nothing wrong, nothing extraordinarily good. The vegetables and the potato were good, but the meat, oh my goodness, is it sure it's from this year? I mean, I was, yeah, it was hard to swallow this one. So the meat felt old and overcooked, and I was even thinking, is this some kind of exotic meat here? What kind of meat is this? Is this really beef? So yeah, that one hopefully will survive.
For the appetizer, the taste is standard, is so-so. So the sauce is not enough, I feel, and so the taste doesn't really blend well. And for the main course, for me, the problem is the beef. Seems not so perfect, and I wonder if it's fresh or not. Oh yeah? No! And but the vegetable and potato are good. The sauce are good, but the beef is not good. Oh. It's really not good.
The appetizer is the chicken roll. Basically, it's just regular chicken that I cook, and it's a last-minute thing that we decided yesterday. And in terms of beef, the beef is definitely not old, but normally needs to be cooked at least for 4 hours. the way we make it up is with honey to balance it out, but some may say no honey. But again, nonetheless, but I try to make do, see if I can cheat with more wine to cover the flavor, but it doesn't work.
If you wanna add more score, you need to do extra.
So this is not an option. This is not an option. So this one is mandatory for all. This one is bonus point. We have a dance-off challenge and the prize is big. This is bigger than our initial prize because we have a sponsor. This is something you don't want to miss. It will help you with paying off your holiday year. So for this challenge, because we want to make it more fair, since these 3 judges already know your score, we will have another 3 new judges to actually give you scores for this one, okay?
So, the guest judge for tonight is from the USA! And next, our judges is from Parody! The next guest judge is from Raja Wali. Popo is the judges.
You need to watch this, and then you guys will do it together. You guys have 1 minute to practice. 5 minutes. Okay. Okay. Watch. Together, yeah?
1 minute to memorize.
To decide. So we need to do 1 by 1 freestyle. Dia tuh Popo ketawa kayak begini copot deh. 1 by 1 freestyle. Okay, so we got a token of appreciation. It's a certificate.
It's not for mommy lah.
From Sunterchef competition. Okay. the judges. We already count and the winner of Masterchef 2023 goes to from Sydney, we have a sponsor. Her name is Patricia. Gouw. Okay, so the prize was supposed to be 1.4 juta. Okay, but Patricia Gouw, she wants to bless the contestant. So now it is 6.4.
Everyone, I didn't expect this. I'd like to thank my wife for enrolling me unknowingly and for my inspiration in church. God bless. Hallelujah. Thank you, Jesus. And organizers and also for the kitchen assistant who help us get a lot of the things. Okay, thank you.
Thanks for watching. Goodbye. The judging starts still.
I can't hold back my compliments. So much.
But my dad ate one during the judging. And then he said, oh, this one very good. So he ate two, she ate two, only left two, I ate one, and then the others didn't get to eat it. He saved it for his wife. I was asking my mom, hey, did you try the chicken roll? It's really good. And then they said, no, which one? I didn't even see it. Because by the time I asked them, it's already gone. Emang ini sombong banget My Koko ya. Dikasih gampang malah mau nyari susah. Padahal yang itu bisa menang loh Koko. Everybody loves it.
Cook two dishes. One is for everyone, and then one is for the judges. But he chose the less perfect one for the judges.
How selfish.
The perfect one to please everyone else, but he didn't win the prize.
So selfless. So selfless. My judge heart is melting. I would have given like maximum plus. That was the best meat in town.